The knocking is strong. It's strong enough to make the audience stop and listen, which is just what Casa de Maryland wants. This workshop commemorates International Migrant Day, but it has a bigger purpose. About 100 people attended the workshop in Hyattsville, Maryland, where a brief training showed how they can protect themselves and their family during immigration raids or arrests. CASA officials want undocumented immigrants to be well informed and know their constitutional rights are the same anywhere in the United States.
We all should know what those are rights and how to make them stand. The right to remain silent, the right to an attorney in case that there is an arrest, and to only provide our name. And you live in the state of Maryland as the only information that you need to provide.
President-elect Donald Trump has vowed to fight illegal immigration by promising to build a wall along the Mexico border and deporting millions of people living in the country illegally.
Trump has a lot of power, and I think that scares a lot of us.
Maria Herrera is a recipient of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, or DACA, President Barack Obama's executive order that protected millions of undocumented immigrants, known as Dreamers. Herrera says Trump can destroy DACA with his signature.
But I do have a lot of anxiety of what he can do if if one day he just decides to just cancel all that, because a lot of people are going to get separated from families. I just had to come today to get more informed because I probably don't have much information, but they do.
Stein is the president of the Federation for American Immigration Reform. He says he understands that it's not a happy time for people who are giving these benefits. But Stein says immigration is a civil benefit, and these workshops tend to make it difficult for authorities to enforce the law.
What really these organizations are doing are trying to make it difficult for law enforcement to actually determine who has a right to be here and who doesn't, for the purposes of obstructing immigration law enforcement.
While some are expecting a Trump crackdown, others say it's better to use this time to become well informed.
This is my country. I was born here, but I was raised here. And every day I get up, this is familiar to me. I don't see any other place. So fear, not at all.
Trump has expressed sympathy for the 741,000 people in DACA, which started in 2012. But he hasn't dismissed the idea of getting rid of it. Aline, Barros, VOA News, Maryland.